Okay, welcome to my channel once again. If you want to create a flyer for any kind of business, be it you are selling kitchen utensils, you are selling gadgets, you are selling wares, anything you may be selling. So I'm going to edit this prompt right now. That is, you having this prompt, you can also edit it as I am also editing it. Create a modernistic flyer for my business. I am selling, let's say this time around I'm selling gadgets such as phones, accessories, and laptops in my store. They can order on my WhatsApp and get the order delivered to their home/office address, or visit my store physically to pick up. My store name is, let's say my store name is Teramayo Stores, Teratech, let's say Teratech World. Delete. My phone number is this. My email address, discount price always available on every Friday. The flyer should be this. So I'm going to copy this prompt that I have edited and then go over to ChatGPT. This is the flyer I created last time in the last video. New chat, and then come over here, paste it, and then what else do I want? Okay, select image, create image, and then hit on send, and then wait while it is creating. Let's wait and see. Okay, our video is ready. Teratech World, smart gadgets and better life. You can see how colorful and beautiful. So you don't have to hire graphic designer to design this for you. Using your phone or gadget or anything, you can design this kind of flyer for your business. Don't waste money. See you next time.